third grade, welcome back. This week we are looking and reading at the story, What Do Illustrators Do? We're going to understand and learn new vocabulary words. Okay. The objective is to acquire and use vocabulary so that you can understand and comprehend each vocabulary word. These are the vocabulary words. We have imagine, tools, illustrate, scribbles, sketches, tracing, research, and textures. Now we're going to look at the concept, what each vocabulary word means, their definition. So we have the first word, which is imagine. To form a mental picture or idea of. So usually artists paint what they imagine. Then we have the next word, which is tools. And it means a device such as a hammer, axe, brushes, pencils, and markers that is specially made or shaped to help a person do work or art. So you see the different kinds of tools. For example, the tools that you used for your virtual class are the computer. You also use a notebook. You also use pencils, crayons. So we use different kinds of tools for different kinds of activities. Then we have the word illustrate. To add photographs, drawings, diagrams, or maps that explain or decorate books or magazines. So you can see the picture there. Those are drawings. And then we have a painter, so they illustrate different ideas. Then we have the word scribbles, which means careless writing or drawing. Usually, most children make scribbles before they learn how to write. So this is like when you guys were in pre-K, kinder, or when you were starting, this is what you used to do, scribbles. Then we have the word sketches, a rough drawing or outline. Tracing, used to copy or trace lines. Then we have the word research, which means a careful study of a subject or a problem. Also, when you're in science class or in any topic, any class, you usually do a lot of research. So that means you look for information so that you can study that better, so that you can understand each topic much better. Then we have the word textures. It's the look or feel of a surface. So you have the different examples, and you can see that there are different kinds of surfaces. It's like when you go to the beach, you touch the sand, and the surface is like soft. Maybe if you're walking on a basketball court or on a sidewalk, maybe the surface is a little bit rough. So there are different kinds of textures. You can touch them, you can see them, you can feel them. The words that we're going to be looking throughout the week. This is what you're doing. You will create vocabulary flashcards. And what are you going to include in the vocabulary flashcards? You're going to first write the vocabulary word. Then you're going to write the definition of each word. Then you will draw a picture about the vocabulary word. And finally, you will use that word in a sentence. So you're creating your own vocabulary flashcards. So I hope you understood each word, but remember, Ms. Garay will be explaining this in class, so I hope you guys understood, and I will see you in class, so please stay safe and thank you. Bye bye, third grade.